July 25, 2005.
Okay.
That was 5 days before birthday ni Des. I have renal cell carcinoma. It's a kidney cancer. No? I have these tumors. I had these tumors sa kidney na nung ma-discover mas malaki pa yata yung tumor sa kidney. It was that big. No? So tinanggal na siya, but then I have metastasis sa lungs. So kumalat na sa lungs. So it's stage 4. Yun. I discovered it by how do you call that? Is that what you call serendipity, or na hindi mo naman sinasadya, no? I was complaining about, I don't know if that's the right term, no? Pero yung iba yung nirereklamo ko is complaining about my left side, no? And then nagpa-check up ako, sabi ng doktor, well, usually sa mga medical insurances tinitipid ka na, but then at that instance sabi ng doktor, why don't you have what's this, ultrasound? So pag ultrasound at first medyo, well, alam ko na right there that there was a problem kasi ang tagal ng ultrasound, and then there were questions that were really serious, no? So even then I already found out that there was some problem, and then they took special care na kunin niya cell number ko, tapos sabi nila, text nila ako. In fact, I was with Eugene tinext ako that I have to get the results right away. I was in a conference, so when I picked up, nalaman ko na, just reading it, alam ko na, but somehow kumbaga yung iba yung iiyak, matatakot, yung gano'n. Hindi, it's more like I don't want my wife, to worry about it. I had to go to the doctor. I tell her, eventually. Kasi pag yung una kong doktor na pinuntahan, sabi, well, una kasi dahil kaibigan ko, he wasn't forthright about it. Medyo nag-evasive siya. Nag-google na ako eh. Nag-google ko na yung possibilities. From there on, mabilis na. A week after, sabi niya, you need surgery. And that's it. I went to the National Kidney Institute to get a nephrectomy. And yun. And nagpa-CT scan ako na I found out that meron na rin ako sa lungs. Ayun. That's it.